How to clean your car roof box. Cleaning your car roof box may seem like a daunting task, but with a positive attitude and the right approach, it can be a breeze. A clean and well-maintained roof box not only looks great but also prolongs its lifespan and ensures maximum functionality. Plus, it's a wonderful opportunity to give your car a fresh start and enjoy those exciting road trips ahead. To begin, gather your cleaning supplies. You'll need a bucket of warm soapy water, a soft sponge, a stiff brush, a microfiber cloth, and a mild detergent. It's important to avoid using abrasive cleaners or rough materials that could damage the box's surface. Start by removing any loose dirt or debris from the roof box. Use the stiff brush to gently scrub away any stubborn dirt or grime that has accumulated over time. Be sure to pay extra attention to the corners and edges where dirt tends to hide. Next, dip the soft sponge into the warm soapy water and gently wipe down the entire surface of the roof box. This will help remove any remaining dirt or stains. Take your time and work in small sections, rinsing your sponge frequently to avoid spreading dirt around. Once you've cleaned the entire surface, rinse the roof box thoroughly with clean water. Use a hose or a bucket to ensure all the soap residue is removed. This step is essential to prevent any damage or discoloration to the roof box's material. After rinsing, use a microfiber cloth to dry the roof box. This will prevent any water spots or streaks from forming. Ensure all areas are thoroughly dry, especially the rubber seals and hinges, to prevent any potential rust or damage. For a finishing touch, you may consider applying a layer of UV protectant or car wax to the roof box. This will not only add a beautiful shine but also help protect against sun damage and maintain its appearance over time. Remember, cleaning your car roof box should be a positive and enjoyable task. Put on your favorite music, embrace the cleaning process, and envision the adventures that await you with a clean and organized roof box. Happy cleaning and safe travels!